Hello guys, welcome to JS Master. This video is all about webpack. I'm gonna introduce you with Node.js and webpack. I'll talk about development and production mode in webpack. I'll talk about the watch variable, how to compile the variable when you develop your JS file or change in a JS file. I'll talk about webpack-dev-server. Now let's begin. First, I will open my browser and search for webpack. Go to webpack website. What is webpack? Webpack is a bundler. What will help you to make your code production ready and bundle your asset for you. So I'll search for Node.js. If you want to work with webpack, you need to install Node.js. So I'll download the stable version in here. I've already downloaded. I'll install it. So I'll press next, accept, next, and next, and next. So it will install the webpack. It will install the Node.js. So after that, I'll create a folder. Name learn webpack. I'll open my command prompt in here and write npm init y. It will initialize a default npm settings for your project. See, a package.json file is created. Now I will write npm install webpack. This will install webpack locally, and if you want to install globally, then write npm space install space webpack space -g. It will install the webpack globally. So you can call it anywhere if you want. So now I'll open this folder, my Visual Studio Code. I'll search for Visual Studio Code and drag this folder in here. Now I'll create a file called index.js and write console log hello world. Okay.
কি হলো ভাই এই জায়গায় প্রবলেম নেই
Good.
এই জায়গায় প্রবলেম এটা কি মনিটরের লাইন তাহলে এই জায়গায় প্রবলেম না
At first, I will import the path in here. So I'll call a variable called path and require. If you guys don't know, then path is a npm package. It helps you to get the path of your local system. Webpack file need to export a JSON object. So module dot exports this object. Module dot export exports something in a file. So a webpack file or a webpack JSON object takes two keys to initialize a JSON settings. One is entry. It will take the First, I will import the path variable in here. Path is a npm library which help you to resolve or set directory of your local system. So I'll create another variable called app path dot join. It's like two parameters. One is my current directory. Second one is the folder name. So there is no folder, so I'll pass empty string. After that, webpack file need to export a JSON data. So module.export. If you don't know module.export, do export something in a file, in a JS file. So I will export a JSON object. By default, it will take two keys. One is entry point, entry. So entry would be appdir plus our file name. It will be index.js, and other one is the output object. It must have two keys. One is the file name. I'll name it bundle.js. The other one is the path. You want to output this bundle file. So I'll do path.join their name, and the builder should be dist. Dist goes for distribution. So let's check. I'll come to my command promote and write webpack. See, it's created a dist folder, and in here there is a bundle file. By default, it works with production mode. So how to change modes? I need to pass a key in here. The name of the key is mode. It takes the mode can be, there is two types of mode in webpack. One is development, other one is production. By default, it's set to production mode, but I will make this mode development. So again, write webpack. I'll check our file. See, this is working with webpack file. So now I will write production in here. See, it's in production mode. So I'll create another file named webpack.prod.js. Our webpack.config.js file hold our development configuration. Webpack.config.js will hold development configuration, and webpack.prod.js hold the production configuration. So I'll come to my package.json. I'll create dev variable in here, and I'll write webpack, and as the production, as a development file, I will pass webpack.config.js in here, and for the production file, I will use webpack.prod.js. So let's check it. command promote and write npm run diff I'll come to my bundle.js. Oops, I need to install webpack CLI to use webpack in command prompt. So I'll install webpack CLI. npm install webpack CLI. First I will install it locally. Then I will install it globally. npm run build, is a production file, npm run dev, use the development file. So now you see there is a problem. Every time we change something on it, we need to call our webpack.run dev. You see, when we change in index.js, our bundle is not changing automatically. Every time we change in here, we need to give a command called npm run dev. So it's a problem. We need to fix it. How? I'll come to my webpack.config.js file. I'll create an array key called watch, and I'll give a value true. If it is true, it will watch the file. So again, npm run dev. See, webpack is watching our file. So if we change it, hello world 2 in here, see, it compiles the file. See, webpack hello world 2. See, it's working. And now there's one more thing to discuss. That's webpack-dev-server. What is webpack-dev-server? As for the name goes, it's a development server which Webpack provide. To use webpack-dev-server, we need to do one thing. We need to install webpack, npm install webpack-dev-server. Okay, our webpack-dev-server is installed. So now I'll come to my webpack.config.js file and add another key called dev. It requires a key called content, and it will take the directory of my contents. So it's dist. So I will pass this in here, and I'll specify another key called port. I'll give this port 9006. Okay. I'll create a file called index.html. bundle.js, and I'll come to my package.json file and I'll replace this webpack with webpack-dev-server. Now I'll run npm run dev again. See, now I'll come to my browser and we'll go to this path, come to console. See, this is working. So let's change in this file. I'll give it a alert. Hello world. See, it compiles automatically. I'll remove this watch key. Let's check again. Webpack will watch your file. You don't need to pass any kind of key or anything in here. So now I'll change this to console.log. See, Webpack change the file and add in this directory. See, Webpack changed the file and reload the page. So let's talk about some more settings in Webpack dev server. So there is another key called open. It will open this server URL in your browser. See, it's open. Or another variable called hot. It will enable hot reloading. So let's try it. See, it's working.